beer?
เพิ่งแห้งอีกเพิ่งกินยาดูแป๊บนึงก่อนเพิ่งกินยา
Come on! Hello, I'm Steve Zeigler. I'm the captain of Overdrive. Today we're going to be sailing to Ko Si Chang, a wonderful island off the coast of Pattaya. It'll take us about 2 hours and 15 minutes at the current speed, and we should have nice windy conditions for a sailboat and a flat sea. Welcome aboard.
That's the way back. The way back will be running
Alright, shall we get the jib out?
Alright, which side do you want it on?
Going on the port side.
Right, just make sure there's a jib there.
There you go. Feet up. That cup holder is awesome. They have chart of everywhere in there, brand new.
Oh right, okay.
Yep, no, I'm ready.
What's your position? Collectively, we're the three of us are the motley crew.
Hey, Jonathan, I think we're kicking their ass.
You got your super glue on the boat?
I do have some, oh man, this thing's flying.
Keep a lookout for pirates.
What are they doing now? That's what they do.
ไปทำอะไรตรงไหนใช่ไหม
I went for dinner last night with my daughter.
จับสองมือจับสองมือจับสองมือเหมือนอย่างเงี้ยฟื้น
I'm
Like this, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I need like more.
How am I going to get out of this situation? She stops and somebody can drop me. And she starts to back up on the street. But she can't back straight. Already I've seen that that's one of the not someone with a smile. Video. Yes, I am, but I need a little more engine speed here. Let it down a little bit. Okay, hang on, hang on. Damn lazy, Jackson. Ah, come on. All right, hang on. Wait a sec. Go ahead, go, go, go. Pull, pull. repeat line to cut. A blue and white repeat line. Why I'm not getting wind speed? Are we done? That's probably good enough for what we're gonna do today. Fine, we wanted baggy. If you fold the ladder down and somehow can tie it, that might work. Somebody yell if it's going up the wrong way here.
It's off with time.
Now, oh, don't twist, baby, don't twist. Twist and shout going on here.
A little bit higher, Tony. Put another wrap on.
I'll let it out a bit. I've choked it a little bit, I think.
Yeah, that's it, Tony, I'll do.
Head up starboard, go the wrong side.
You are.
Head that way.
All right, now we're getting there. You guys are good, man. That's good, that's good. That's a good line, but that's fine. Yeah, maybe bring it in, it's just blocking it. Well, it's almost like that line needs to come back further to get. All right, let it out a little bit. Let's see, how can I get that off? I think this is going to be all for naught. Hang on right there. Just leave it and see if I can. Hey, now it's picking up.
Pass a couple of beers up.
Right there. Go on with the wind. And the princess place is